Using your mobile phone, you're watching a video in YouTube mobile app and the video is very blurry where you cannot see things clearly in it. Let's quickly fix this. There are two ways. One, you can just pause the video and click this gear icon. From there, click quality, come down to advanced. And from there, the higher you go with these numbers, the better the quality of this particular video only. 480p, 720p, 1080p, 1440p are very okay. I will set this to 1080p. Then double tap behind here to rewind just a bit and you will have good quality video playing for you. But it can be tiring to do this every time you're watching a video. It is better when you set your YouTube mobile app to give you good quality videos all the time. To do that, go back to the YouTube homepage. Be sure you are on that homepage here. And at the top here, you see your profile icon or profile display. Click on it. From there, go to settings. And under settings, go to video quality preferences. On mobile networks, set it to higher picture quality and come down to Wi-Fi. On Wi-Fi, the same, higher picture quality. And from henceforth, all the videos you play in this YouTube app will be of high good quality. Subscribe to this channel for more helpful and quick tips like this.